1, 2, 3, 4.
We're Modigazzi, we're living in an RV. We're your family on the road.
Hey, I was doing this from before I met you. I drank too much nice issue, but I'm okay. Hey, I met my friends but I hope I never see them again. Na 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 na.
Hi, today we're gonna make
slime.
She took my part. We have a rainy day, right?
Yeah.
It's raining outside, and Raquel is at work, and we are going to make slime.
Slime. I love slime.
You do? So
3 big balls.
4.
4 big balls.
Yeah, there you go. So we are going to make quite a bit of slime. We are going to make the primary colors. What are the primary colors?
Wait, let me see.
How about you just tell me? Tell them.
It's green,
Green,
yellow,
yellow,
white,
no, and
green, yellow, gray, black,
blue, green, yellow, red.
there you go. Blue, green, yellow, and red. We're going to make 4 different colors slime.
blue, green, yellow, red.
That's right. So we're going to make the primary colors. This is our first endeavor to make slime. And there's a few basic ingredients to slime.
Glue,
Borax,
warm water,
Food coloring.
day coloring,
Food coloring. Food coloring.
half a cup of glue,
squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. I'm pooping out diarrhea. I'm pooping out diarrhea. And how
very hard, go, go,
Oh, squeeze, squeeze!
It seems like a half a cup of glue is one of the, let's see, 4-ounce glue containers.
Add a half a cup of warm water.
Now mix it up and make silly faces. Now we're adding the food coloring. You just need to put a few drops.
A few drops. 3 drops.
Just a few drops. 1, 2, 3.
Try it. That kind of made pink. Let's put a few more. That's 5 drops.
Red food coloring always turns out pink.
Yeah, especially if you're using white. We put like 10 drops.
Come on, make a red. We mixed it but it turned out dark pink.
I get to mix the borax. So, because borax is a, it's sort of a chemical, I guess. It's used in laundry, but I just don't want the kids to kind of play with that. So I'm going to mix the borax for them. Now, what we have is a half of a cup of warm water, and then we're supposed to add half a teaspoon, if I can find my teaspoon, a half a teaspoon, there we go, of borax. So There's the borax. Now I'm gonna kind of do a heaping teaspoon, and then we want to mix that up in that warm water until it's dissolved.
Your phone.
Now there'll probably still be a little bit left on the bottom, but we're gonna mix it up pretty well.
Daddy has the box. I mixed the slime. Yeah.
Don't mix it crazy.
Wa la la la, wa la la, wa la 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 la. It's so slimy.
No, go mix it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the slime from the bowl into the bowl that we're gonna keep it in. Oh, it's pretty slimy, dude. And then we're gonna discard the extra water.
Slime. It is pretty slimy.
And then you have to go in with it with your hands.
They say if you let it sit for a while, it actually will soak up more of this liquid, but that is pretty slimy.
And the more you play with it, the less sticky it will get.
Oh, so that's one. Okay. All right, try it.
It's turning blue. Yay! It's blue now.
Oh, the blue gets pretty blue.
And the red gets pretty red.
It looks red.
Yeah, like the other one.
It's orange now.
Yeah, it is orange. What is the other one? Oh.
What are we doing now? Which color?
We're doing the green. It's the last color.
The least cooler.
Wow.
What? Oh, it's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
That is all the colors, right?
Red, yellow, blue, green.
I'm gonna fill with it.
I'm gonna play with it now.
I'm gonna play with it.
That is our little project that we did in the RV. Nice, safe, kind of thing for the kids to love to play with this slime. So thanks, guys. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and let everybody know about us. See you later. Bye. What do you think, guy?
Ah, it's
Your hand is melting. Smile, Carly, you're on YouTube. Smile, Carly, you're on YouTube. I'm taking a video of your face. Hi everybody, thanks for watching this video, and if you like what we do, the little round button right there, I think right there is our subscribe button. And then right here, that's our Patreon page. You can go give us a little special thank you. And make sure you check out these other videos over here. Thanks guys, we really appreciate it. Bye.